Hey guys, I'm back from the mall. So on Black Friday, I ordered my 2 pants from Buckle, and I called them this morning if they got my pants in today. So yes. So I'm showing you what I got from Buckle and Ulta. So yeah. First Ulta. I got a whoa. I got the booty advent calendar. This is my first time having the booty advent calendar. Okay, so I've been on TikTok for 3 years now. It's 2020. And I never heard of this beauty advent calendar until a couple days ago on TikTok. It's going up on here we go again. Getting my booty advent calendar. So yeah, now I want to try it. And this is the third one that they have. And there was 2 left there. So yeah. So yeah, it's so pretty. So I'm going to open it day 1 tomorrow. So yeah. On to this. I got 2 pants. They don't have a sale on Black Friday, so yeah. But I love their clothes. Don't get me wrong, but they are expensive. So yeah. And I'm a size 33 waist and 34 length. So yeah. First, it is Miss Me jeans. Whatever. This is what it look like. So yeah, and then on the back, this is what it look like. The flags. So yeah, I like it. So yeah. And then this is what it look like in the front and in the back. So yeah. That's it. That's the haul for you guys. And I hope you enjoyed this haul. And have a wonderful day, and God bless you, and take care, and stay warm, and have a happy holidays.